right, guys, we're back at it again. So this is a 2017 GMC Acadia. It's got a 3.6 liter in it. Customer stopped in last week, said check engine light came on, and then reduced steering effort or something came on the message center. We did do a scan on it, and it does have a code for P0128, engine coolant temperature, below thermostat regulating temperature. Few other codes. Here's a power steering control module. We got a U0401. That's an invalid data received from engine control module, and that is MIL requested, along with the check engine light MIL requested there. These other ones have no effect. History codes there. And there is a TSB on it for 2017 models only. The Cadillac XT5 GMC Acadia 2017 to 2017. And yeah, for that code. And then that U0401 code. And it says, after 20 minutes of driving, customer may have a DIC message of attention required, steering assist, reduce drive with care. So that is exactly what's going on here. So I don't really have to worry about power steering issues. It's all related to the check engine light. Again, and that is for the engine coolant temp. First thing we're going to do is hook the scanner up to it. We're going to pull up a PID for the engine coolant temp and see when that thermostat actually opens. All right, got the engine running here. Let's just going to check it for codes. I did clear them the other day. We'll see if anything came back. It looks like we're all green, so no codes. Let's go in here. I'm gonna pull up engine coolant temperature. We need at least two PIDs to put them on a chart, so we'll just do ambient temperature is fine with me. And then, oops, start graphing these. Coolant temp is at 134 right now. Let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll bring you back. All right, so it's been running for a while. I did take it out for a drive, got it warmed up here. It's quite the glare there, but we're at 170, 172. Thermostat's already open. Upper hose is really hot. Radiator's hot. So it's opening way too soon, and that's where we're getting that code from. So bad deal. Let me grab a light here, because this thermostat is not in a good place. Let me show you. So if you look right down in here, the thermostat is in this housing right there, right in the valley. So yeah, needs a thermostat. We'll talk with the customer here and see what he wants to do. I also forgot to mention just the basics here. Make sure you have coolant in it. Coolant level is up and good on this one. I forgot to mention that earlier, but do not overlook coolant levels. Let's see if we can sell this job, and yeah, we'll kind of go over what it takes to replace the thermostat. All right, so got done pricing all the parts out for this. So the thermostat comes as a housing, comes with a tube on it, comes with all the gaskets, I think even the bolts, everything. those are on national back order. So I just had a talk with the customer. He doesn't know what he wants to do with this. He's about ready to trade this car off. So price to do this job is over $700 to put a thermostat in this vehicle. So it's like 4.5 hours labor. It's like $200 and some for that thermostat. And then you need some intake seals. You need a little bit of coolant. But yeah, we'll see if he changes his mind. We'll have to put him on a list and you know, wait till the parts are released, I guess. I mean, that's about all you can do. Fortunately enough, it's not going to hurt the engine. I mean, it is going to be cooler running than what it should be, so maybe not quite as efficient. That's why it sets the code, is because, you know, you don't have a engine operating at normal temperature, you lose some efficiency. So yeah, we'll see what he wants to do. We may continue this video, we may not. So for right now, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.